Hey everyone! Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best-selling mixing bowl sets on Amazon. Our fifth pick is the OXO Good Grips Mixing Bowl Set. This set of 3 bowls is made of durable plastic and is dishwasher safe. They're also nesting, which saves space in your kitchen. Coming in at number 4 is another set of cook with color mixing bowls. This set includes 16 bowls of different sizes, perfect for any mixing or prepping task. They're made of durable plastic and are dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. Our third choice is the Glad Mixing Bowls. This set of 3 bowls is made of durable plastic and is dishwasher safe. They're also stackable, which saves space in your kitchen. In second place, we have the KitchenAid Empire Bowls. This set includes 4 bowls of different sizes, perfect for mixing ingredients or storing leftovers. They're made of durable plastic and are dishwasher safe. Our top pick is the Cook with Color Mixing Bowls. This 12-piece set comes in a variety of colors and includes bowls of different sizes. They're made of BPA-free plastic and are dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe. The bowls are also nesting, which saves space in your kitchen. I hope this video has helped you make a decision on which set is right for you. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to learn more about each product. Thanks for watching.